Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. We have 5 packs of Journeys Together from Five Below. I was gonna buy all the packs, but that they had left over, but there's a 5 limit, so yeah, people buying up Pokemon cards are terrible. Let's put it that way. So. And I just want to collect my collection and finish it. So it's hard these days to find anything. Anyways, guys, I spent $26.50 after tax because it was $1.50 for tax in Virginia, at least. So yeah. Anyways, I got 5 packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, let's get it together. First pack did not match the, what's it called, but they were all Lily packs on the front, so. Alright, so first pack. Hoping these 5 packs have at least, like, I don't know, you know what I mean? Like, something really, really good. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so we have Lotad, Nimble, Larvitar, Remoraid, Regice, Irish's Fighting Spirit, Octillery, Hops Wooloo, Bombardier. That's not a Pokeball though. Lily's Rumbombi, Fighting Energy. Alright. Nothing in the first pack. Alright, second pack. Oh, it's Hop again. That's super cool. I guess maybe they're all hops, who knows. If I don't get anything in these 5 packs, I guess the 3 that was left over had something really good in it. I don't know. Alright, let's start. Milcery, Black Belt Training, Wilmer. Sorry, my allergies are acting up, guys. Enzora. 11 Cena, I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Super Potion, Hops Culvernight, Scrockabilly, Hops Silly Cobra, Lily's Clefairy again, it's not the fancy one. Electro Energy. I'll just sleeve that real quick. Sleeve that in a penny sleeve. Alright, cool. Put that over there. Alright, third pack. Oh, it's end now. That's cool. And at least in the front. We got Billy and Onair, Pancham, Minchino, Petilil, Lacroix, Irish's Fighting Spirit, oh, sorry, Virizion, Lotad, oh, ooh! Something I haven't gotten yet is Iono's, Quattro. Cool. Something I haven't had yet. Alright, and then Butterfree. And then the, Dark Energy. Let me sleeve that up. Now that's a W right there. Something good so far. Alright. Alright, 4th pack. It's Iono. That's actually kind of ironic that I just pulled her card. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't know it was blocking some of the camera. Alright. Alright, let's see. Swinub, Shelmet, Shieldgon, Paldean Whooper, Articuno, Potswick, Cloth, Weezing, Oricorio. Ooh, got a full art trainer. Ruffaloon. I already had him, but you know, I'm still gonna sleeve him up. And then Psychic Energy. Still gonna sleeve him up just in case. Never know, you know. If I wanna, you know, sell it or something. I don't know. Alright, last pack magic. Hopefully we got something good, some